Hello. Tonight is, it's been a little bit, I think. Tonight's going to be a real quick video, just going through some of the the clean tones on my my Strat. I've got it set to the middle position, which is going to be the middle pickup, about 8 on the volume. The tone on that guy is set to about 8, so it's fairly bright. And my ToneMaster is set to a volume of 5. The treble of about 5.5, middle at about 7, bass about 5.5, and I have a reverb at 5. So this is going to be Santo and Johnny Sleepwalk. Just because I love the sound of this. And that's it for the chorus and everything, but here comes, and I'm playing actually with the tremolo bar, which is, I usually don't have this thing hooked up, but we'll see how we get along. So, a lot of the 50s and surf guitar definitely use tremolo, the tremolo bar. I like to at least practice with both using regular So you get the general idea. But I love the sound and the tones, the reverb. That's it. Good night. Goodbye.